Okay, this is a tutorial on how to change the composition of a photo. So what you will do, you simply go to pixlrx.com, that's pixlr.com, and then you sign up or log in if you have the account already. You continue with Google and choose your own account. Okay, so this is your correct account. Go to pixlrx. Okay, if you have a ready image that you want to use, you can open image, but I'll just do a quick image search here, and I'll type traditional costume. Okay, doesn't matter what costume. Let me just choose. Okay, I've done that one. Yeah, Korean. Then just click apply. Right, that's our picture that I will be changing her face to mine. Before that, of course, you need to take a picture of yourself. If I'm using, if you're using MacBook, then just go to Photo Booth or any application. This one, I'll just use my camera and just take a photo. Okay, maybe one more time without the spectacles. Okay, so that's done. What I do now is I'll just go and add a layer, add image, and I'll go to the pictures that I just took. That's in camera rolls. Yeah, this one. And what I'll do is I'm still on this my picture. I will click cut out, and I go to lasso, and the mode is keep mode. So I will crop my face. That should be okay, right? You're happy with that? Just click apply cutout, close this picture, and just move it to the body. Okay, I'll put it this way. Okay, I can rotate it a bit if I need to. Alright, I think this is okay. Yeah, alright, that's fine. I could go on and adjust if I want to. Adjust the picture, maybe I just fix the color. Lights, if you want it darker, go ahead. Just try to match the body. Exposure. Okay, and contrast, and that should be fine. Alright, I apply that. You can still move it a bit if you need to. Make it a bit smaller. Okay, that's just fine. It's just an example. And then I click save. Okay, and save as. Oops. Brilliant. Okay, that's fine. I can close that. And then I go to CISO. I will upload, add response, upload the picture. Should be under download. Okay, I think it's under documents. I'll have to. Alright, where is it? Okay, here it is. And answer the questions, rate your work, and then submit. That's all. Thank you.